Hey there, welcome to the course. In this beginner series, I'm gonna walk you through the basics of Blender 3D step by step. By the end of it, you'll know enough to build your own simple 3D models from scratch, even if you've never opened Blender before. We'll start off by showing you how to download and install Blender, then we'll jump into how to move around in the software and use basic transformation tools. From there, I'll introduce you to the Extrude tool, which is a super useful tool for shaping your models, followed by Bevel, Inset and Offset, each one giving you more control and detail. Then we'll explore modifiers, a powerful way to speed up your workflow, and take a look at the asset browser to make organizing your work easier. I'll also guide you through basic camera movement, how to navigate Blender's panels and layouts, and finally we'll put it all together in a fun-little final project. So yes, let's take it one step at a time, enjoy the process, and let's get started.